31st January 2026, MPP will go for their flag bearer, their delegate conference. And all the guys are good. But are they good in the eyes of the delegate? At the end of the day, God will open the heart of the delegate for Kennedy Agyapong. And Kennedy Agyapong will be good in their eyes. And the delegate will vote for him. And on the 31st, he will become their flag bearer. Wasn't President Mahama, who was campaigning to become president 2016, his campaign message was not good in the eyes of Ghanaians, so they voted against him. But Ankara Akufo-Addo's message was good in the eyes, so voted for him. But 2024, President Mahama and Dr. Bawumia,
hello, Abushanfo, ladies and gentlemen. I bring you greetings from Canada, wherever you are. I want to believe by the grace of Jesus Christ in video ya me bro mu near Prophet Bernard Elbernard okay I want to show them the message I preach here 3rd August. Now he was talking about the favor of God, the power of favor, and it on me favor a bit to me and then he was trying to explain favor. Say it is the ability for people to accept you, like when people find goodness in what you are doing, and also when they find good, if what you are doing is good in the eyes of people, or they begin to like what you are doing, that is what favor is all about. Until he was preaching, and it was a very powerful message. He said a lot of things. Now, in the course of the message, you know, Anna Obabe preacher said, because of this favor, no, Anunti and Abema Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, say MPP for Omoko Omo Delegate Conference, January Nimuna, this favor, no, and Abema Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, and so Etimi Abe winning the NPP flag bearership, no, and then he said a lot of things. So I just want to bring it to us so that we can learn and study something. I want to say, Prophet Bernard Elbernard is one of the prophets at Omashem Kombebre, like Washem come many times. I have it on my YouTube. I mean, it's over my YouTube page. Let's say, search it in the search button. Now, Prophet Bernard Elbernard, and I say, via Elbernard. You will get a whole lot of videos about Prophet Bernard Elbernard. The prophecies are one man, Honorable Kennedy Agyapong. I mean, too many. And you know, check on my YouTube page, and then in the search button, you know, search a Prophet Bernard Elbernard, and I say via Elbernard, and I say via Bernard Elbernard. Whichever way, no. If you search it out, you will get a lot of videos out. Why Honorable Kennedy Agyapong? The Apostle Kenya say Honorable Ken and nothing is going to stop it. And I just want to bring it to us so that we can add it to the things that we already know. The message says, if today is your first time visiting my channel, kindly subscribe to my channel, like my video, drop your comment. Now for Yentimi and share baby together. Now if possible, so I share to others. Say what is happening. Now so betimi am I together. I want to believe say obey sanity. I want to thank you in advance. So let us go and listen to what the man of God had to say.
And so Joseph was forgotten, but on this particular day he was remembered. There is a season of favor. There is a set time of favor. And somebody here, this is the set time of favor. God, this subject about favor is very important. Wasn't President Mahama, who was campaigning to become president 2016, his campaign message was not good in the eyes of Ghanaians, so they voted against him. But Ankara Akufo-Addo's message was good in the eyes, so voted for him. But 2024, President Mahama and Dr. Bawumia, the reset agenda was good in the eyes of Ghanaians, so they voted. 31st January 2026, MPP will go for their flag bearer, their delegate conference. And all the guys are good, but are they good in the eyes of the delegate? At the end of the day, God will open the heart of the delegate for Kennedy Agyapong, and Kennedy Agyapong will be good in their eyes, and the him, and on the 31st, he will become their flag bearer. Then my last book is Prophetic Conversations. Hope we are still live. Prophetic Conversations about the new Patriotic Party flag bearership. And this book are visions I have received from the Lord that talks about how Honorable Kennedy Agyapong, a Krompereko, will win what kind of men can actually me? Will win the flag bearership of the new Patriotic Party. Are you with me? Everything is in this book. This book is free of charge. It's free. Or if you can download it, but I have some copies that I can give to you free. Let me give you this. Yeah, free. So get a copy, and God will bless you. Or what do you think? You're already blessed by God.
So, ladies and gentlemen, I want to believe that you heard the man of God for yourself. Diana Okanyana say, send your work no said the medical earlier. If you check my YouTube page, now Obo Bernard Elbernard, and I say be a prophet Bernard Elbernard. I have a whole lot of videos, many videos. When you made for your worker, Hon Kennedy Agyapong, who said, Onona everybody lady NPP. I'm gonna be a flag bearer. I don't know. You can watch all those videos whenever you happen to have time. You know, say the man of God, no Kenny. I think I like Prophet Bernard Elbernard. I think he's a man of God. I think if he hasn't heard anything, I think Omeka. I don't know. He is one of the men of God that he has a track record when it comes to predicting about who becomes president and who becomes this, who becomes that. So he had the track record. Now, when it comes to such things, now, onyaminipa or track record, and it says ujinidi, obia oka na bakwa bem na bakwa fanchain or bona bakuna munchain na bakuna muha. Those kind of people, no, they don't have the track record, so I don't see why you should trust such people. But this man of God has the track record. I don't, in some sense, I don't have any problem banking my hopes on some of the things. Now, I bet me every the number bano. Say Honorable Kennedy Agyapong and everybody lady NPP flag bearer. Now, I'm a fan of two politicians. Honorable Ken and His Excellency John Dramani Mahama. Some for me anyway, me pe Omas Empire. I don't know anything I hear about them. I try to cover them. I try to let the world know what is happening about them. I don't know. This is what I had to bring to you. I want to believe that you have learned something, and God bless you very much for your time. Until we meet again, take good care of yourself. Love the Lord Jesus Christ, fear the Lord, and love fellow human beings. That is all that we can do here on earth. Thank you very much. Bye.
Good morning, MPP delegates. I take this opportunity to welcome all of you to Accra for our MPP Delegates Conference. I'm pleading with you to take a right decision that reflects the views of Ghanaians and the delegates, especially the grassroots. They are the voice of the people, and we should listen to them. If they want a victory for us, then we should give them their choice. So I'm pleading with all the delegates to make right decision to help this party win 2028 elections. Welcome once again, and God bless all of you.